In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the quick unboxing of your Brother MFC-J1205w printer. So I'll show you how to do the wireless setup of this printer, how to install the ink cartridges. So it is a complete setup so that we can use it for wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the unboxing. So once we plug in the power, the printer will start automatically. Now we can go to the control panel to see if the lights are working properly. This light is for the ink cartridges to install. These are the printing buttons and this is the stop button. This is the wireless button which is blinking, so we will do that setup later. And we also have to install the pages. So the first thing is to load the A4 sheets. The paper tray is at the bottom here. So this whole section, you can slide it up, adjust the size, load paper, close it and slide it in. Next thing is to load the ink cartridges. So we have to open the front chamber. So as you can see here, just pull it out. And now we have to install the ink cartridges here. Installing the ink cartridge is very easy. You simply have to take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Now to install the ink cartridge, make sure this nozzle which is here, it goes bottom at the rear side like this. So slide it in and you hear a lock sound. That means ink cartridge is installed properly. The next one is blue color. Again like this. Slide it in. So it's very easy to install in these cartridges. And you only get 4 of these. Now close the ink cartridge chamber door. Now we have to wait for the printer to work because it will load the ink in its tubes and it will print a print quality sheet. So it might take few minutes or maybe a little bit more. So we have to wait for that. So the print quality is good. Thing is to do the Wi-Fi setup. Now go to your iPhone and download the Brother Mobile Connect. Here we see option to add the printer. So because printer is not connected, so select not connected. Yes, our mobile is connected. Enter the machine number. So MFC-J1205w. It says press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your machine panel for 2 seconds. Now the Wi-Fi light is just above the stop button. So press and hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2, release it. And click on the confirm. Go to the mobile Wi-Fi network settings. And look for your printer setup. So that is here. Select it. Wait for the connection to set up. Now go back and open the app again. Click connected to setup Wi-Fi network. It will display the list of your Wi-Fi networks. So select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password. And click on the connect button. So once the setup is complete, you will see all 3 markings are green and you will see the name of your machine connected to the Wi-Fi network. And also the light is not blinking here. That means it is connected. Click on the next button. It will ask you to do the update. Now go back and you will see the Brother printer, top printer is there. It says ready. From here we can start the wireless printing and scanning. Overall, I can say it took around 10 to 15 minutes for the printer to set up completely. So let's start with the scanning and printing. For printing, select any document you want to print. You can change the settings from this page. You can change the layout, paper size. You can also select the pages you want, and you can uncheck the pages you don't want to do. You can select the number of copies, go back and click on the print button. So printer is quite responsive. Let's check the scanning. So we'll place a page here, close this window, click on the scan icon and then click on the scan button. The scan has arrived on the top. Once it is done, you can simply click on the done button, and on the next screen we can save it, share it. You can use it as a JPEG or you can use it as a PDF. So once you click on that button, you have the options to save in a particular location. So this way we can do the complete setup of this printer, and we can use it for wireless printing and scanning using the Wi-Fi setup. Thanks for watching.